copped the new Synaworld shell tracksuit. I can't believe it. So in today's video, I'm going to be reviewing absolutely everything to do with the tracksuit from when I ordered it to when it arrived at my door. So guys, on the 3rd of May 2024, Synaworld released their 10th worldwide drop, I think. We saw all of these items release. The focal point of the drop were these shell tracksuits, but Syna also released this blackout jacket. I obviously bought the black, yellow and grey shell tracksuit. It cost £140 plus £10 shipping. The tracksuit came in this train ticket style packaging. Now I originally thought that the packaging was going to be a ticket to a Synaworld event. We've seen a Synaworld event before and it looked pretty sick from all the footage we saw come out from it. And the reason I thought this is because of the valid till 31st of December in the middle of the packaging. Yeah, it's just part of the design. I even told everyone on my story this, and funnily enough, Synaworld actually saw my story, which to me is kind of crazy. Like, Syna, maybe we could sort something out, you know what I'm saying? But inside the package was obviously the absolutely sick tracksuit I ordered, as well as a little pack with a keychain in it. And I also got the Synaworld Instagram logo sticker. The packaging is sick, and you're going to see it in the majority of my videos going forward. I feel like the background is kind of getting better now with all the streetwear stuff going on. But let's get into everything about the actual tracksuit. So as you can see, it's just beautiful. The colors work so well with this tracksuit, and I coincidentally have the exact same 95s that Synaworld were advertising the tracksuit with. Literally my first ever pair of 95s. Like, the coincidence is crazy. I got them months ago. Anyway, the tracksuit is obviously nylon. As soon as I put it on, I was shocked at how thin it actually is. Now, this isn't a bad thing though. When Synaworld released the rope tracksuits, the material was reportedly very thick. So let's say you've got both tracksuits. You'd be able to wear one in winter, the rope tracksuit, and one in spring, the nylon tracksuit. It's great in my opinion because I'm going to be able to wear this tracksuit in the build up to the summer where it's around 15 degrees here in England without getting hot. But let's say I wore a Nike Tech fleece in this time, I'd be boiling due to the thick material, but because of the Synaworld material, I won't be. Now, admittedly, the jacket can sometimes scrunch up like this. This happens when I wear nylon stuff though. You can see this PSG one here, and it does the exact same thing. But, if I unzip the jacket, which I'll most likely be doing in this lead up to the summer, it doesn't scrunch up at all, obviously. And it's actually how Central C himself has been modeling the tracksuit. But overall, the scrunch isn't something that bothers me. If I pull it down, then it goes away. But the length on the arms and legs is just perfect fitting. Definitely true to size if you're looking to cop in the future. Now let's talk about the design. So there's actually quite a lot of intricate things going on the tracksuit. The main zipper has a Syna S with a halo above it, and the side pockets on the jacket have the quotation marks we see on the Syna logo. They're just bog standard pockets to be honest, but the zip makes them that much better. The bottoms also have the same quotation marks as seen on the jacket. Once again, they're just nice, normal, deep pockets you can put the whole of your hands in. At the back of the bottoms there's a secret little pocket just below the waistline. What I like about this tracksuit is that all the pockets are zipped. I only put my belongings or stuff I'm carrying in zip pockets rather than open pockets so that they never fall out. So this is the big plus for me. I love the design of the bottoms. You see the way the grey curves around the top? I just think that's so cool. And the actual Syna logo on both the joggers and jacket is such a nice smooth material. I don't really know how to explain it. Like gelatin? I've just done that a disservice saying that. Ignore that I just said gelatin. At the bottom of the joggers there are these zips. So if you have a stockier build, you can unzip them to make the tracksuit fit you a bit better. At the bottom of the right leg it reads "Forgive me." Now I don't know if that's the slogan for the brand or if it's all I need in this life of sin like we've seen on the Instagram handle. But this is the same material as the logo. Now underneath the washing instructions there's this really cool tag where it says the item is 100% authentic. I mean, most brands do this, but I guess I was quite surprised to see Synaworld do it. The drawstrings which are on the inside of the bottoms are top quality. The fact that they're on the inside is really good as you have the option whether to show them or hide them. I'll personally just be hiding them. I mean, who knows, maybe one day I'll start showing them. Like, because they are sick, they're really good quality. We've seen so many people create merchandise in this space, and honestly, the way Central C has built this brand, well, why is everything he does so clean? Like, seriously, his clothing line doesn't even feel like it's his clothing line. To me, it just feels like a brand he's modeling and pioneering for. Like, for example, when I step outside with this tracksuit on, if people know this brand, then they're not gonna think, oh, it's Central C's merch. They're gonna think, oh, it's Synaworld, like the brand. If you guys are enjoying this video so far, then make sure to drop a like and subscribe with post notifications turned on. It's completely free. Following me on my Instagram, BTS Clothier, is also free, so why don't you do that? Actually, trying to get this tracksuit was pretty mad. I had to leave a family dinner to try and cop, but here is the live cop. 2 minutes to the drop. We've got on here Happy Sin Day. That is also a sick upcoming Syna tracksuit. If that is actually, I'm pretty sure it's a Syna tracksuit. 30 minutes, literally the tracksuit that I've got with the 95s. I need to get this, man. I need to get this cop. This is the big cop, man. This is the big cop. We can just check the Syna store. No, I don't know if it's going to be a password or not, because if it's a password, then I could be screwed. I really could be screwed if it's a password, because then you have to work it out at night. Oh man, I'm really not I'm not in the mindset. I'm just like shaking. I've got in my mind I need to press size medium, Apple Pay. That's all I need to do. Just quick. I'm actually going to be quiet now, guys. I need to get composure for this. Okay, it's 7K. The website isn't open. Right. Still not updated. I swear down, if they're having problems, I've literally left my family. Okay, oh, hold up. Website live now. Password. Happy Synday. Happy Synday. Happy Synday. Tracksuit. Choose options. This is the one. Triple black / grey. Buy Apple Pay. Please, please, please. No, the low power mode. Are you crazy? 1 working day. That's good enough for me, bro. Wait, why am I checking this, bro? Just cop 150 for the tracksuit. Go somewhere else, it's overpriced. Please, 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 please. Size medium. I did size medium. I don't even know what I did, bro. I don't even know what I did, bro. I don't even know what I did. Yes! I would have a better reaction of like screaming, but I'm actually like, oh my days, bro. So guys, as you can see, I had to be really quick to cop. I managed to purchase the tracksuit in under a minute. Like, I'm not playing around, guys. Look at the time frame when I got onto the website and look at what time I got the confirmation email. I was desperate for this tracksuit. So if you're looking to cop in the future, then make sure to follow Synaworld on Instagram with the post notifications turned on like I have, so you know everything about an upcoming drop. And you might as well follow me whilst you're at it, as I post content related to upcoming drops for streetwear brands. As you can see, the shipping cost £10 and it took 5 working days to arrive. I was getting a little worried as I had paid £10 for the shipping and it had been 5 days, and I saw some people have their tracksuits. Yeah, I hadn't even had my shipping email sent out yet. And recently I've had really bad luck with online deliveries. 2 of my packages have been damaged or lost from different companies, so it's just my luck. Like, I thought it was going to happen again. I literally downloaded the ShopPay app after these couple of days to see if it had any updates on there about the package. But yeah, in the end it arrived all fine. But obviously there are the resellers. The people out there who bought some of the tracksuits quicker than the actual people who wanted to wear it rather than sell it on. And on Depop we can see here the blue one is going for £220 as well as the white one. On eBay I saw a blue one going for £250. Actually, just looking now, someone has listed my style one for 280 quid. But I personally won't be selling mine as I think it's sick. Now, over the past couple of days, Synaworld have been teasing another drop, and the story that came out is that it's supposed to be coming out at the end of Easter. It looks like we could be seeing a jumper counterpart. So if you're more into that material rather than this nylon shell tracksuit, then make sure to follow Synaworld on Instagram with the post notifications so you know where they're going to drop, because I think this is going to be a quick turnaround. You're going to have to cop in under a minute again because they're going to be very sought after because they're just normal hoodie material. And it's literally the same colors as this shell tracksuit drop, so people can style the hoodies with the shell tracksuit bottoms if they wanted to. Watch my review on the Nike 95 next, or watch my updated Nike Tech Fleece collection video.